Itua ria Atongoria ya kwenda kunanira njung'wa na minista wa maria maturigiciirie Keriako Tobiko riumanite na hathara nene iria ikagumira aria maikaraga mutitu-ini wa Mau angikorwo thirikari ni igakinyaniria itanya riayo ria kumathamia.
We just want to contribute to the solution. We are asking for dialogue. This country and even our constitution talks about public participation in any policy activity by government.
And they are genuine buyers of land from titles issued by the people of Kenya, and by no means can they be categorized as forest dwellers.
Senator wa Elgeyo Marakwet Kipchumba Murkomen na uria wari governor wa Bomet Isaac Ruto maugite ikinya riri ritiagiriirwo gutabanio ihinda-ini riri na no nginyagia njira ya kihoto ihuthirwo gutabania mibango iyo.
We are requesting for these meetings. We expect that it shall be granted. We want to look for a permanent solution to this problem. It has been coming on and on and on.
Tobiko erumite kinia kiuga ati thaama cia mutitu wa Mau ikoretwo ikiunjugwo ni uteti uria ucungagiriria mibango ya guthaitira mutitu uyu kwaga gukinyanira.
Avoidance of doubt, the Kenya Forest Service and the national government have no jurisdiction on the area that our people are living, because it's a trust land that is managed by county government, and now they have been threatened. They have been threatened before, despite the fact that government documents and government reports make it clear that these people are not living in any government forest.
Makiria ma bamiri 60,000 nicio ibangitwo guthamio kuuma mwena wa Narok ya muhuro undu uria waya guthararia miturire ya aikari.
We are committed to environmental protection, and we are also asking the ministry concerned not to kill our children. Don't kill our mothers. Don't go and kill our parents.
Kiriro kia Atongoria ya riu ni thirikari ihuthire kihoto angikorwo no nginya andu acio mathamio. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Winnie Kimani.
Serikali wanasema hapa tunyamaze na ndio ona hii manyumba inachomwa hapa sasa tufanye.